Hey folks, this is your old pal, Uncle Al. Hey, it's been a pretty good Sunday. I didn't throw up. Went with the family. I skipped the usual Sunday breakfast or brunch. I went home after I did my classes. I did say hello to Gil of Camp Patton's family compound. Still a little dizzy. I have a little bit of fever and kind of nauseous. I'm I ejected myself yesterday with expensive injectable $500 a shot. So it isn't making me feel very good. So anyway, I know it's not the flu. I think it's that because I'm vomiting orange stuff. I've been drinking ginger tea. And if Mel's watching, yes, I'm going to see the doctor on, on Thursday. But anyway, I take my walk and I say hello to the neighbors. A few of them are running the hell out of California because they know it's going to get bad. And if you ever watch what's going on with, you know what, I won't talk about it, but a lot of smart people are selling their house and getting the hell out of California. And which, uh, I'm sorry to say this word, dipshit prepper said about going to Central California to survive. I live here, buckwheat. I know what I'm doing. You have very limited options. That's why once I get enough cash flow, I'm going to say goodbye to my family and I'm going to head to first Nevada, and then that's my bounce point to Alberta, Canada. Because Uncle Alan always have a trick up his sleeve. And ain't that stupid? So anyway, during my walk around the neighborhood, I say hello to neighbors, watch people leaving, see people move in. We just moved out of Bakersfield. This is a nice neighborhood. Yep, and you got a good deal on the house. They know me, I know them. And the old tenants left, and they said, Uncle Al, we're donating some stuff. I said, sure, I'll take it. I got a nice plastic bucket to mix my dirt. I got a few mixing bowls, which is really good. And I got this. See that, Gil? I tried to give them money, but they said, we like you, Uncle Al. Your sermons on adult Sunday school was really good, and we jumped ahead, and we did follow your tips and advice, and we're making money. Thank you. And then they left, and they gave me this. I was trying to give them $20, but they wouldn't take any money. Brand new, hardly even used. I think they had it for wall decoration. I gotta still prime it and coat it. But isn't that nice? See, a lot of people trust Uncle Alan. I know what I'm talking about. Now you see a lot of people are joking and laughing. No, I'm not going to shave my beard off. Fine. It's okay with me. It's your choice. But in 2 to 4 weeks, when you're dropping dead and your family's in little body bags, don't blame me. I'm old Uncle Al. I know better. I know the odds. That's basic math. And right now, first wave is peaking. A lot of people don't understand that. All right? It's mathematics. What you should be worried about is the second wave. And I still got to get my hair cut, and I still have to do the third injection. So I'm not too happy right now because I couldn't eat dinner. I ate a small portion, and I got to check my blood sugars again. And then I got to inject myself a third time today. I am not a happy camper because I have to use a bigger needle. Okay. Don't forget tomorrow's gardening and check out Will's channel. Special guest would be Howie from Food Forest Permaculture. Check it out. Pretty good. Okay, I'm working on the politics in another video, but right now I'm doing food videos because I'm tired of all this political stuff, the beer virus, and everything else. I'm tired and I'm not feeling well. In 3 months, I got to do another painful surgery for 2.5 hours in my right eye. Not too happy about that. Lord, getting old. Everybody says, why don't you take your shirt off on YouTube? Then everybody be barfing the hell off because of all the scar tissues on Uncle Alan. Anyway, before I go, I'm sending some nice cards to either, I forget who was it. Okay, still can't remember. Atlanta of 8, T-Fab, and Cheryl Hirsch, Brandon. Sorry, Brandon, Uncle Alan's been a little sick, so I haven't been running around too much trying to make money. Because Uncle Alan knows how to do it and do odd jobs, but I've been sick for about 2 months. I don't know if this is somebody who died, but Uncle Alan's kind of tired. I've been on my back for about 2.5 months, self-quarantine because of the surgery. And also they only gave me a local for 1.5 hours of surgery, and I see them use the laser and digging out the crap out of my eye. Fun. You want to have pain? Do that. Okay? Now check out these people right here. I like Frank and Tina, great channel, like kids. I like Prescott Caliber Club and Wayne Weaver's channel. And, Bob the Metal Guy. Let's see, I don't think I have DOI Solar someplace, but go check out his channel and check all these people out. Oh, and you ladies, check out Artsy. That's the lady with the balathon flipping out. The Underground, I think, yeah, it's the Underground. And Bill Melton's channel, check him out. He needs more people. He's at 101. Go over to Bill's channel and help him out. He's just like one of us. I'm retired. Bill's retired. I don't know why am I doing these stupid videos, but it's like within a week and a half, I got 12 offers from 12 different strippers to move in with me, and they're going to pay me money. I keep saying no. I'm done with that. My biggest thing is fast food and taking care of my mom. I got her out of the nursing home because I don't trust those jokers. She's going to live with me for next 2 to 3 months. So if anything goes wrong at their local nursing home and people like from the stupid virus, it's their own fault. Uncle Alan might be a little crazy. Uncle Alan might be off in the head. Uncle Alan might be a kook, but I'm never wrong. So anyway, I'm not worried. All right, I've been prepared for 1.5 years ago. And I got my stuff all set. I'm just watching the people running around going and buying stuff off the shelf and looking at them. You only bought one stupid thing off the grocery store and you left all this. Kind of looking at them like, what the hell's wrong with you, kid? I've seen everybody's buying ramen and baked beans. And, you know, they just clear one shelf and leave another shelf totally empty. So anyway, I'm just tired. I'm just glad I got this one. And if you were smart, I hope this intelligent people, I doubt that, get out of California. We need 10 million people to leave California now. Keeping this short, because Uncle Alan's tired and my fever, it's only 102, so that's not too bad. I'm used to it. I ain't coughing. I ain't stupid either. Have one of these. Oh, also one of these, and I can't find the nitty pot. So anyway, kids, yes, the eye's a lot better, but you could tell it's still swollen as hell. And I do use a moisturizer. I quit doing that because you don't see the wrinkles. You see a little bit gray hair. I got to touch it up again with the coloring pen. I'm vain. Okay, I use a good moisturizer. That's why Uncle Alan doesn't have wrinkles. I'm a lot smarter than most people. Okay, so other than that, you have a nice day. This is March the 2nd. You should listen to Uncle Al, Gil. Don't worry, we got a couple weeks left. Remember, a lot of people don't understand what's going on. That's fine. I'll watch the circus and sit back and enjoy my tea. I told Tyler, that's my Padawan, a morbid thought. I was trying to figure out which YouTuber would drop dead. Yeah, Uncle Al's smirking in the background. So, anyway, I'm pretty comfortable. I'm making plans H for Canada. H and I. You're on your own, kids. Bye.